I'm really excited about this video. This video is about how to find journal articles in EBSCO, and EBSCO is a great database to use no matter what your discipline. So I'm hoping that you'll fall in love with EBSCO the same way I have. Enjoy the video and feel free to call us if you need additional help. To find journal articles, we're going to go to your favorite place, library.seu.edu. On the right-hand side, we have a list of SEU resources for students. The third link is EBSCO. We're going to click on EBSCO to find scholarly journal articles. When you click on this link, it will ask you for your username and password. This is the same username and password as your SEU email, so it's easy to remember. If you have any problems, please call the number on the screen and we will be happy to help you through the login process. Once you get past the login screen, you come to the EBSCO host search screen. In the box, we can put in our search terms. For my search terms, I've put adult and learner and education. The reason I've put the word "and" between adult and learner and education is because I'm telling the computer that I want all three search terms, but they can be in any order and they do not have to be right next to each other. Often the word "and" will make the difference between you finding just a couple sources and finding a lot of scholarly articles. We also want to scroll down and limit our results to full text. This means that the computer will give us the entire article on the computer so that we can read it right on our screen. The other one is scholarly peer-reviewed journals. You will find that your professors often ask you to use scholarly journals. So we want to make sure that we click this box and get the kind of articles our professor wants us to use. Now we're going to click on the search button. Because EBSCO is a large database, you can see that we have found a lot of scholarly journal articles on our topic. In fact, it's found over 15,000 articles. These articles are very scholarly and great for research in the classroom. We're going to click on the title of the first article. This citation screen gives us the title of the article, the authors, the source or name of the journal. It also gives us the subjects and keywords that might help us do a better search in the future. You also want to make sure that you read the abstract. The abstract tells you what the entire article is about, and you want to make sure that this article is really about your subject before you go ahead and read 23 pages. Over on the left-hand side, we have two options, HTML full text and PDF full text. The HTML version is nice because you can have the article read to you. The computer will actually read the article to you with an American accent, an Australian accent, or a British accent. You choose. My favorite is the Australian accent. The only problem with this is that there are no page numbers. This is a problem when we go to do direct quotes inside our paper. So one way to get around this is to use the PDF full text version. The computer will not read the PDF to you, but it does give you a picture of the article exactly as it appeared in the original journal. This means that we have page numbers. This video has shown you the basics of how to find articles in EBSCO. Be sure to watch part 2 where we show you some special tools inside EBSCO that can help make writing a research paper easier.